Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican home cooking. Zin. This week I'm going to be doing fiber punch 6 bootsa. Right? Let's cook with me. Right? So if you have low sperm count, right, and you want breed woman them, this is what they should drink. Right? 1 glass per day. Right? This is good for your colon. This is good to flush your colon. Right? This is good for constipation as well. Alright, and this is good for building your body, strengthening your body. Alright. Right. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Press the notification button. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright. Come make we bubble a pot. So we have our Fasca oats, right? Not sponsored by Fasca oats. So this is filled in vitamins, vitamin C, A, calcium, right? Fiber, 25 grams of fiber, protein, right? And much more. So this is rich in fiber, and we all know that fiber helps cleanse the body, right? Add our Fasca oats to our blender. Now we have our flaxseed, Eden Restore flaxseed, whole flaxseed, right? This is not sponsored by Eden Restore, right? So you know your flaxseed is rich in fiber as well. Right, so as the video state, fiber punch 6 bootsa. We have about 1 cup of flaxseed as well. We have our Eden Restore mixed fruit burst. Right, so this contains a lot of mixed seed. This contains flaxseed, almond, raisin, sesame seed, pumpkin seed, right? And this is also rich in vitamins as well, and mineral, iron, and all of that, right? So we add 1 cup of that as well. Going to add our spring water, right? This is about 1,000 milliliters of water, right? We have our Benjamin vanilla, right? Not sponsored by Benjamin. Gonna add about 2 tablespoons of Benjamin vanilla. Our nutmeg, right? And I grate our nutmeg. So we have a Betty sweetened condensed milk, right? Not sponsored by Betty. We're going to add this. 180 gram. Alright. This is approximately about half cup, or probably about 1 cup. I'm going to sweeten. Yep. Good to go. I'm on the Fibre punch 6 boots already, like Freddy, right? So going to test it out and see what is going on, right? Cheers. Yeah man, not too sweet, not too fresh, just right. Right. Very lovely. Kinda a bit thick, but just the way I like it. Need a little grain in it in order to help flush the system, right? Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and 1 million views on this video. So share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and another friend to tell a friend, and a friend to tell a friend. Boom!